I was thinking today I would show you a little bit what I do for a living. Well, this is it. This is a bus. Danish bus. A Irizar i3 from 2013. 10 meter long. 18 tons. The big one. Yeah. And the funny part of this is actually from this point here and up, it is Irizar. And from the point down, it is actually Volvo B7. And it looks like this. Well, you have a driver's cabin, and the ones who drive Volvos will see, well, there you have it. So this is actually a half Volvo, half Irizar. Passenger cabinet. And all the channels you see up here is one giant climate unit. And this up here is where we suck in the air and all magic happens, and we spurt out cold air from here to the passengers. Back to this here. This bus here had an error. Regardless of what they did, it continued on pumping in heated water. So the passengers would have 22 degrees centigrade, which is pretty nice, but the driver had around 40, which is not so nice. So the first thing we do is that we check here in the climate control unit if there was any errors. And there was an error that said the water temperature gauge, or sensor, sorry, so water temperature sensor was defective. So I changed that out, and it didn't help a damn thing, to be honest. It told me, let's see if I can get into this. We just push these two and just wait a bit. There we are. If I take temperature, right, what we have here is somewhere, if I can focus on this, we probably can, but in here somewhere it says water temperature, and that said NA, not there. But now it gives me a temperature, which means that the air conditioning unit might actually start working. So now it knows what the temperature is, and we should be all good to go. But alas, no, it continued on driving and pushing in hot water in the demister, or the defroster, as we call it in Denmark. Let's just go back to auto. Boom. Which means that, well, as you see here, it says 21. It's very fuzzy, I'm sorry. It says 21 and 20. And if we look in here, right now it says 19.9 and 21.4. So this actually started working. And why does it work? Well, let me show you. We have to go outside again though. I must say it took quite a bit of time to figure this one out, but now we got it. Let me show you. This is the defroster, or the demister area. We have two blowers going in each direction, actually in an opposite direction. This one was going this way and this one's going that way. So it sucks in water or air from the back end here through the filter up through here. In here you see you have a heating source, and on the other side, well, we can't see that really, but there is a climate control unit where you what the hell do we call it? We call it a well, it doesn't matter. It's where the coolant from the refrigerant from the climate control punches through, right? Evaporator, there it was. And here we have a water valve. It goes one way up, and if you shut it, it'll just stop. This one was flipped upside down. So instead of sending water from the bottom up, it tried to push the water from top to bottom, which it cannot. So internally here, it bypassed no matter what you did. So if you flipped it around, so it turned out the right way around, you could actually stop the water. And that is the point where we're at now. So that was actually the error. This was flipped upside down. And it took 4 hours to figure out. Well, you win some and you lose some, but it's still win. It's still a win if you ask me. I mean, it's now it's mended, it functions. It's time to clean it up and go home. And for you, have a nice weekend. Thank you for watching. Ta.